Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. आप देख रहे हैं रहमत Ramadan with youth at Toronto 360 television with Tariq Ghori. Thank you very much for liking this segment. Your feedback, your calls really matters for us. Alhamdulillah, we have prepared this special segment for all our children, all our youth, addressing their questions. And yes, the past three segments, Alhamdulillah, we enjoyed a lot the questions from Sheikh Abdullah. And today we have three young fellows. They are amazing individual, mashallah. They are a student of School of Islamic Legacy, Canada, mashallah. So let's have the introduction first. So who is Ali?
My name is Ali.
Okay, Ali, tell me about something about yourself.
I'm 12 years old. I'm in grade 7.
Okay, mashallah. Do you like to welcome Ramadan? Mashallah, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
You feel happy? Mashallah. Yeah. And where's this little girl in the middle sitting? Aima, bete. What is your hobby? What do you like the most?
I like riding my bike.
Okay, mashallah. Thank you very much. And who is this guy?
My name is Qasim.
Qasim, bete. Qasim, tell me something about yourself.
I'm 12 years old and I'm in grade 7.
Mashallah. And what is your favorite hobby? What do you do at home?
I like playing soccer.
Play soccer. So who is your favorite player?
Ronaldo.
Thank you very much, Bede, and thank you for coming all the way. Mashallah, I know you guys came all the way from very far distance, and your passion is always appreciated. So you have some questions about Ramadan. So what are your questions? Let's start from you.
My first question is, why shouldn't we lie or argue in Ramadan?
Okay, mashallah. So you guys have done your research, mashallah, about Ramadan. So why don't we lie, or why we should not lie? Right? First of all, lying, this is already prohibited. Okay? We are not supposed to lie. Either it is Ramadan or not. But yes, when we are fasting, so in order to remember that Ramadan has a purpose. There's a reason for Ramadan to come and nourish our spiritual needs, right? So what Ramadan basically does, I have a very bad habit, for example. In 11 months, I learned so much bad stuff. I did so much bad. I made so much mistakes. So now Ramadan is coming here for a reason to correct those elements, to remove those bad habits from me. So we try our best. So what happens actually, in month of Ramadan, we know that Allah Ta'ala already brings me to a certain position and gives me an opportunity to correct myself with very, very easy possibility that He has been bestowed with, right? The thing is, in normal days, you see how hard it is to stay hungry and thirsty. Normal days, how hard it is to wake up early in the morning for sahur. Normal days, how it is hard to go to the masjid and read so much, like long taraweeh, right? Keep standing and still feel happy. Why? Because energy level, spirituality level has so much grown. So now what we must try, if I know that I have this habit, that I knowingly, unknowingly, I kind of like lie. My mom asks me something and then I lie for no reason sometimes. I blame, I fight, I just simply just do wrong or not doing my homework, but whatever I'm supposed to do, I'm not doing it. So now it is time to revive ourselves, to do bad, to do good. This is my choice now. But to make a selection to do good has become so easy. So while we are fasting, the fasting allow me to correct myself as much as I can, including not only lie, backbiting, cheating, yelling and screaming, all these bad habits the kids do to their parents usually, right? So be humble, kind, and you will see it. For 30 days if you fast, if you try not to lie, if you ask Allah to help yourself not to do any bad, you will see a big change. It's a training period for 30 days. Once you would come up with this idea, inshallah, I will keep it going. I'll ask Allah for istiqamah, firmness upon this path, and you will never lie, inshallah. Right? It's a great help. I am Arji. You have a question better for me?
Why do we give charity before Eid?
Why do we give charity
Before Eid.
before Eid? Oh wow, great question, mashallah. Yes, charity is such a great act of our deen. Paying zakah is fard upon people, those who are sahib-e nisab. I'll tell you later, inshallah, what is sahib-e nisab. But before Ramadan, it's a good question. The reason is because, alhamdulillah, we are so much blessed. We have great parents with us. They take care of ourselves. They take care of us. They take care of every basic need that we need in this world and even hereafter, right? But not every child in this world is so fortunate as we are, alhamdulillah. So there are families, those who suffer a lot. There are children, they're orphans already. Either they don't have mom, they don't have dad, right? Or they don't have any relative. So what happens, like if we find such families and friends around, so even before Eid and even before Ramadan, we should pay charity, we should pay zakat. Why? So they can enjoy Ramadan and Eid same way as you do and I do. That is why it's important to, before even Ramadan starts, try to find those friends and family friends and orphans or widows, people those who are in need. You approach to them without even mentioning whether it is sadaqah or it is zakat. Pay that money to them so their children, the family enjoy the month of Ramadan as we all do, inshallah. Make sense, bete, Aima? Good, mashallah, bete. Qasim, your question.
Why is Ramadan called a month of patience?
Very good, mashallah, bete. Month of Ramadan is entirely month of patience because we are hungry, we are thirsty, we still go to school, we still go to work, we still do daily routine things. So we feel tired. Same time, body is kind of weakening, right? But for the sake of Allah, we fast all day, right? And the patience is such thing that grants me those blessings that the month of Ramadan is here to offer me. Alhamdulillah, right? So jo sabr aap kar rahe hain, this is something that pleases Allah so much. Because even, the bad smell of your mouth, sometime you feel smell, right? What happens when you're fasting with empty stomach, when we feel that bad smell in our mouth, what happens? People kind of annoying, right? Oh, very bad smell. But Allah loves that smell. Person who is fasting has this mouth smell. Allah loves that more than musk, itr, fragrance. This is how much Allah loves that smell. Means if you are going through with something that you feel tired, you have something like, oh my goodness, it's still 2 hours to go before iftar happens, something, but to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you have patience. Allah loves that mindset, Allah loves that energy, Allah loves that particular moment of your life that when you only for the sake of Allah keep yourself away from drinking and eating, watching, doing anything bad. It makes sense? MashaAllah. Nazir Ikram, thank you very much again for being with us. Ali, Qasim, Aima, they had very good questions, inshallah. And we have some more questions coming from them. Keep watching Rahmat-e Ramadan with Youth at Toronto 360 TV with Tariq Ghori. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.